Hi everyone, Zorimori here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a multi-brand unboxing and try on. The theme is winter holidays. Prepare for a lot of red, green, gold and plaid. I already styled a few of the items and shared them on my Facebook group. If you're not part of it, I'm gonna link to it in the description box below. On there, I share daily discount codes, sale alerts, restock alerts, brands that I discovered that I think you're gonna like. If you like Sezane and that French aesthetic, I share outfit inspiration. I hope you join us on there. I'm also going to link my Instagram accounts. I am headed to Europe for the Christmas markets. I'm so excited. If you want to follow along with my travels and with my shopping spree, definitely join me on Instagram. Stop by and say hi. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Now let's get into today's video. These here are the Marcie babies by Sezane. I love these shoes. For the longest time I was torn trying to decide if I want the brown ones or the black ones, and I finally decided on the gold because gold you can wear with every other color in your closet. It's perfect for the holidays and beyond. I love the height of the heel. Your legs look really good in these heels, but you won't feel tired wearing them to all the holiday parties that are coming up. I went with size 38, which is my usual size for Sezane shoes. Now these babies are available in purple velvet. Maybe we'll see more velvet options, but altogether these are fantastic addition to anyone's closet. Moving on, I have Francis Valentine. I have the perfect holiday flats. These are leather, really soft. They're padded inside. They're square toe, and usually when you find Mary Jane flats on the internet, they are velvet, which is a specific aesthetic. I've been looking for a colorful, bright leather option for a while, and these are it. They come in pink and green and blue, and I have a discount code. You can find it in the description box below. 17% off the whole website. If you're not on the market for shoes, my next favorite category by Francis Valentine is their knitwear. This cardigan is 100% lamb wool. It has no itch. It's great for people with sensitive skin. It's warm, it's cozy. It will last you a lifetime. This is not a trendy piece. This is a classic. They have few other designs that are also really beautiful. You can use the discount code that I mentioned for anything on the website. And for those of you shopping for a coat, I have this Francis Valentine tartan coat. Beautiful coloring. Francis Valentine always finds the most unique wool patterns. I never see them anywhere else. It's a lightweight coat. It's lined inside, has functional pockets and a slit at the back that you can open and close with a button. Every year around the holidays, I know that if I'm thinking tartan, I can go to J.Crew or J.Crew factory and find everything I'm thinking about, and this year is no exception. I got this skirt. It's a mini, really great length, very flattering, size 00, which is my usual size for J.Crew and J.Crew factory skirts. It's really nice, medium weight fabric. You can wear it with tights, or if you live at a warmer place like me, you can wear it with bare legs and knee-high boots. It's such a classic. If you are looking for something a little bit less bright, you can go with this dress. The dress is a midi length. It has a black background, all the right festive colors, but it's not too much. It has an elastic bodice. It hugs you in all the right places. I went with size extra small, which is my usual size for dresses from J.Crew and J.Crew factory. You have pockets. Such a cute piece. I've seen this design by Hill House and Madewell, and it's usually double or triple the price. J.Crew factory is running 40 to 50% off all the time these days, so definitely shop around and be patient and you can get great deals. And what are the holidays without dresses? The first one I have here for you is by Ivy City Co. It's a mini dress in a gorgeous plaid that's green and yellow, blue, a little bit of brown. You have a puffed sleeve. It's an A-line dress, has a little bit of movement, really flattering. It looks gorgeous with knee-high boots. The dress closes with a gold zipper at the back. I went with size extra small, which is my usual size from Ivy City Co. I use the size chart and it's reliable. If you're new to the brand, just use the size chart and it will be really easy to find your perfect fit. This dress here is by Sandra Fleur. They are a small woman-run company. They are amazing. I have 2 of their dresses for the summertime. I've featured them here. I wear them on Instagram a lot. They are amazing, really high quality linen. When you receive the dress, they pack it with so much care. In the pocket, you will always find a little roll of paper with a saying on it, and it's tied with a bow, which makes these fantastic gifts. You will find great colors in their winter collection. If you're not going for this maxi length, you can find the mini with a Peter Pan color. It's also really cute. If you're planning to support small businesses this holiday season, Sandra Fleur should be on your radar. And if you're looking to up the drama this holiday season, look no further than Selkie. Their gowns are simply next level. I'm obsessed, big fan. However, I do understand that this type of dress, it's not for everyone. It's more of an occasion piece. Happy to report that Selkie just released a smaller capsule with more wearable designs, mini dresses and midi dresses that are a little bit pared back, but still as show-stopping as these big gowns. Definitely use my code ZORIMORI for 10% off and hurry up. I am sure that all of the plaids and burgundies will sell out really quickly. Alright everyone, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of today's video, which items were your favorite. I want to know. Don't forget to join me on Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the description box below. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.